The pump should be set to full strength and the tubing installed with no bends or kinks. The light cord is connected securely. The pump placed inside the basin, flat to the bottom. Again, making sure there's no bends or kinks in the tubing. Gather the cords into the slot in the access door and secure the back. Attach the power cord securely to the transformer. Clean the glass ball before installation. You'll find rubber feet on the bottom to make your placement secure. Make sure the LED light is properly seated. Make sure the orb is clean before operating. Regular cleaning and maintenance of the orb itself, as well as the plate it sits on, is very important to ensure that the orb continues to spin. It's also possible that debris that reaches inside the basin will enter the pump, and it will require disassembly and cleaning. Simply remove the front cover, remove the impeller and magnet, and check for any obstruction. Even something as small as this can reduce the flow and stop the orb from turning. We recommend the use of household vinegar for cleaning and maintenance of your pump. The removal of hard water buildup on this magnet will keep your pump running for years to come.